To authorize Marketplacer from your DSYNC dashboard, please follow these steps. Select Plus System. Click on Select from System Templates. From the drop-down list, select Marketplacer. Select Add this system. Copy and paste your Marketplacer URL into the Settings field. Change Error Duplicates to False. To locate your Marketplacer API key, please visit your Marketplacer account, click on API and Integrations, then copy and paste your API key. Then proceed to select Save. This will add Marketplacer to your DSYNC dashboard.